how to assign access to a user. First thing we're going to do is hover over settings and click shared access. One thing to remember that account owners and power users are the only ones that will be able to see the shared access functionality. So in this box, all of our groups will be in here, and to add a user, all we're going to have to do is click give shared access right to one of your contacts or new contact. If your user already has a contact in your system, in your database, then you will be selecting give shared access right to one of your contacts. And if your user does not have a contact yet, you can click on new contact and put in their information. I'm going to put in a testing email and then make sure that these boxes are selected to make sure that this contact is added to your group, and having permission to send emails to the testing email that we're inserting. So we're going to create and close, and if you would like, you can create edit further, but since our main goal is to give this user access, we're just going to create and close. Oh, this email's already being used, so we're just going to put in another one. Alrighty. So to give this contact full access to this group, our client's group, we're going to select this blue plus boxes, and then you can see all these toggles have turned green now, which means that this contact has full access to this group. And if you would like to limit their access, you can also select some of the functionalities that you don't want them to have access to. And to remove all permissions to this group, you can select X and confirm, and they will be removed and they will no longer have access to this group. So if we have already a contact for the user that we want to give permission, we're just going to input their email in and click save. And same thing, if we want to allow all permission or restricted, all we have to do is click the plus or limit their access as well. And unfortunately, if you want to give a contact all access to all the groups, then you're going to have to individually go into the group and add the contact. And then if you click on the contacts has shared access, all the contacts that have shared access to these groups will be in this list below. And to make sure that they can get access to all groups, I'm going to have to make sure that they are a part of the groups already. So what I mean by that is I can click into our testing contact and then going into the groups section, and then from here I can give them access to the groups as well. Also, you can give access inside the groups as well. So I can select what I want this contact to access in this group. I can check them all to give them full permission, or I can uncheck them all. But however, that's how you do that. And then after I'm done adding them to all the groups that I want them to have permission to, I'm just going to click save and close. And that's how you do that. And actually, if you click on this one contact, if you have multiple shared users, this number is going to be higher. Anyway, if I want to revoke all access to this contact, all I have to do is click revoke all. And if I wanted this contact to have full access to the groups that it's a part of, then I would just click make super and give them full permission for this contact to all groups this contact is a member of, and then click confirm. And that is how you give shared access to a user. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us.